You're being robbed blind, and you're letting it happen. Most people have the same major categories of expenses: housing, transportation, taxes, utilities, food, and more. But there's one expense that varies greatly from person to person, and it's quietly draining wealth without many even realizing it. Can you guess what it is? Here's a hint. It's often tied to status and success. That's right, it's your car. In 2024, used car prices are up again, with some people committing to monthly payments over $1,000. Dealer markups are still crazy high on in-demand vehicles, and the average cost of car ownership is a staggering $12,182 per year, according to AAA. That's a significant chunk of the average American salary. Let's dive deeper into this silent wealth assassin and explore ways to save thousands each year. Let's look at a 2018 Honda Civic as an example. Over 5 years, the true cost to own this relatively economical car is $43,993, or nearly $8,800 per year. That's 16% of the average American's gross salary spent on a used car. Imagine how hard it is to build wealth and save when you're living outside your means, especially when it comes to car ownership. I'm not saying a Honda Civic is extravagant, but the costs can add up more than you might think. The biggest expense? Depreciation. 99% of cars lose value over time due to wear and tear. To save on depreciation, avoid buying new. A car loses 10 to 15% of its value immediately after driving off the lot. The sweet spot is a 3 to 5-year-old used car with 30 to 40,000 miles. That's when most depreciation has already occurred, but the car is still new enough to avoid major maintenance issues. Taxes and fees are another big expense that's hard to avoid. Every car has registration fees and taxes yearly. One way to reduce this cost for families with multiple cars is to reduce the number of vehicles owned. Having one extra car than needed means additional fees and registration costs adding up over time. In places like California, regular smog checks also contribute to these expenses. While it's difficult to completely avoid taxes and fees, being mindful of how many cars you own can help save money in the long run. Financing is another major cost, especially for those who don't have tens of thousands to drop on a car up front. Many people put down a smaller amount and finance the rest, but with rising interest rates, those costs can skyrocket. As of now, interest rates for those with good credit are between 6 to 6.5% and even higher for those with poor credit. If you find yourself in this situation, consider buying an older used car rather than financing a newer one. The added interest can significantly increase your monthly payments and total cost over time. Fuel is an expense that often goes overlooked when considering monthly car payments. For the Honda Civic example, fuel costs add up to $12,807 over 5 years, assuming 15,000 miles driven per year. That's an extra $2,561 annually, or about $200 monthly. While there's not much you can do to drastically reduce fuel costs, small changes can add up. Consider getting a Costco membership to save $5 to $8 per fill-up. Electric cars are an option, but can be expensive up front. As we likely won't completely step away from fossil fuels in the next 5 years, fuel expenses will remain a factor for most car owners. Insurance is another significant cost, averaging $1,390 per year, or $115 monthly for the Honda Civic. To save on insurance, consider these tips. Number 1. Set a yearly reminder to call your insurance provider and negotiate a better rate. If they can't offer a lower price, shop around and compare rates from other companies. Number 2. Insurance companies value long-term customers, so they may be willing to undercut competitors to keep your business. Number 3. Apply the strategy to other bills like cell phone plans and internet. Regularly call providers and ask for promotional rates to keep your costs down over time. Repairs and maintenance are the final major car expenses. While harder to reduce, there are still ways to save. With YouTube tutorials, you can learn basic maintenance tasks like changing your oil. Over a lifetime, doing this yourself could save around $20,000 compared to going to a shop. For more complex issues, consider purchasing an OBD2 scanner to diagnose problems before going to a mechanic. This tool can help you understand the severity of the issue and make informed decisions about repairs. Sometimes a check engine light may signal a minor problem like a loose gas cap, saving you an unnecessary trip to the dealership. If possible, going without a car might be the ultimate money-saving solution. Not only do you avoid the $10,000 plus yearly cost of ownership, but you also free up that money to invest elsewhere. For example, investing $10,000 into an S&P 500 index fund 15 years ago would have tripled in value by now. The opportunity cost of car ownership is significant, as you're not only spending on the car, but also missing out on potential investment growth. Of course, this isn't feasible for everyone, but it's worth considering if your lifestyle allows for it. Another way to save on car costs is to live closer to work, reducing your commute and the associated expenses. Long commutes can drastically increase fuel consumption, depreciation, maintenance, and wear and tear. When applying for a new job, factor in the commute time and costs. Someone driving 45 minutes to an hour each way spends far more on their car than someone with a 10-minute commute. By being strategic about where you live and work, you can significantly reduce your transportation expenses over time. So, cars are often a silent wealth assassin, quietly draining our bank accounts without us even realizing it. By understanding the true costs of car ownership and implementing strategies to reduce expenses, you can save thousands each year. Consider buying used, negotiating insurance rates, learning basic maintenance, and even going car-free if possible. The money saved can be invested, allowing you to build wealth over time instead of watching it disappear into your car. Be mindful of your transportation choices and don't let this hidden wealth killer keep you from reaching your financial goals. Take control of your car expenses today and start keeping more money in your pocket for what truly matters to you.